Whether you're looking to purchase a heat pump or you've just had a new heat pump installed at your house, here are 5 things that you need to know about heat pumps. Number 1, heat pumps are really good at transferring heat rather than generating heat, which means you're able to consistently control the temperature efficiently across your house rather than trying to increase or decrease the temperature all at once depending on the season that you're in. Number 2, heat pumps are much quieter than your traditional system. Because of how they transfer heat and not generating heat, they don't run as long. Just because you don't hear it doesn't mean it's not working. Third, set your thermostat for one temperature. Having frequent temperature changes for when you're home, when you're sleeping, when you're at work, or when you're on vacation will have your heat pump working less efficiently than it should. Fourth, the temperature reading does differ from a traditional system, so it does take time to really figure out the setting that works best for you and your home. Finally, routine maintenance. Make sure you clean and replace your cartridges. Make sure that you keep the compressor clear of debris, and in Minnesota, that means snow and ice.